Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer stock plan shares from eTrade to Fidelity. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer stock plan shares from eTrade to Fidelity, begin by logging into your eTrade account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab in the main menu. Locate the section for transfers or stock plan shares. Select the option to initiate a transfer. You will need to choose the type of account from which you are transferring the shares. Indicate that you are transferring to a Fidelity account. If you do not already have a Fidelity account, you will need to create one. To create a Fidelity account, visit the Fidelity website and follow the account opening instructions. Make sure to have your personal information ready, including your social security number and banking details. Return to eTrade and continue the transfer process. Input your Fidelity account number when prompted. Next, select the stock plan shares you wish to transfer. Review the transfer details carefully to ensure accuracy. Confirm that you understand any potential tax implications associated with the transfer. If everything looks correct, finalize the transfer request. You may receive a confirmation email from eTrade regarding the transfer. Keep an eye on your Fidelity account for the incoming shares. The transfer may take several days to complete, so be patient. Once the shares appear in your Fidelity account, you will receive a notification. If you experience any issues during the process, contact eTrade or Fidelity customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.